Hello everyone, let's start analyze market for the next week. First of all, we're gonna see the result of the last week. So we're gonna do it like that in each pair. We're gonna see the last week result and we're gonna analyze the next week in same time. Let's start with last week. Bought GU in last week. I was waiting for a retest at this level. My stop loss was this level here, but unfortunately market reached my stop loss. However, I took another trade. Here at this point, and my take profit, of course, like I told in the last week, was this level here. So the trade was 1.7 sorry. About this week, we have created an higher high, higher low in 4-hour time frame. What I'm expecting for the market to do is to come to this 4-hour gap. As we know, GU let's say overreact, so the GU goes lower than you expected. So I think it's gonna come to this 1-hour gap. However, I'm gonna see while the price reaches this gap, I'm gonna wait for a change of character in 50 minutes or 5 minutes time frame. So that's gonna be my entry. It's gonna be something like that. This is gonna be my entry. Take profit this high. So, and this here is gonna be my stop loss. It's gonna be a good trade. Euro USD was amazing. I called Euro USD here, its stop loss here. This trade goes with loss, and I took another trade. At euro, this was my trade. Exactly, it was here. This was my trade, so it goes very, very well. About this week, I'm waiting for Euro USD. So I'm thinking that we have some key levels here. One is here, but before this key level we have a gap here. Key level here, another gap here, another big gap here. As I think that Euro USD is gonna come to this gap, not more, because it's not like GU. When it's come to buy, Euro USD is very, very good. when it comes to sell, GU is better. So we are in a bullish market, so I think that it's gonna come over here. Maybe it's not gonna surpass this low here. I don't know. I'm gonna see it. I'm gonna wait for that. I think that maybe in Tuesday, I'm gonna have a clear opportunity for Euro USD. So I'm waiting for the market to come to this peak here and go up again. First take profit is gonna be 4-hour higher high. The second one, let me see, it's gonna be this level here. As you can see, this is my take profit. About USDCAD. USDCAD is still in bearish, but USDCAD is better, react better when the market is bullish. So I'm not 100% in USDCAD. I like it more when the market is bullish. When it comes in bearish, I'm not so fans of USDCAD. However, I have an open trade, still open trade. As you can see here, change of character and retest. This is a gap, trade here, stop loss here. This was my trade. What I'm expecting for USDCAD to do is to come, maybe it's gonna come a little bit lower, or maybe come till here, make a change of character here, come higher at this point, I guess, because we have a gap here, and it's gonna come at this point, I guess, and I'm gonna place an order. My stop loss is gonna be this one, and my trade is gonna be, my take profit is gonna be this level here. So I'm not reading the number, you can see it by yourself. So this is what I'm expecting for USDCAD. This is my first scenario. The market come a little bit lower, come make a retest and go short. My second scenario is gonna market come here, make a change of character here, and retest and sell. This is my second one. That's all for USDCAD. About gold. Gold kicked my ass first 2 days of the last week. I had an open trade here. It goes with break even, and I opened a trade here because I was waiting for the gold to come to this gap, make a change of character. So I thought that this was good. We have change of character here, higher high, higher low. I took a trade here, and I thought this trade is gonna be amazing because all was amazing. But the Trump say that they're gonna have peace and this happened with gold. What can I do? However, in Thursday, I guess Thursday, it was Thursday, because I don't remember exactly, maybe Midvo or Thursday, I took a trade at gold. This was my trade. So we had a change of character here and retest at this key level. This was my stop loss, and gold go very well because this was my take profit. It was very good trade. It make me a lot of money. About this week, I'm thinking about gold that is not gonna break this low. I don't know why, what is gonna happen, but as we can see here, we are in the K level. This is a strong area, very strong area. And if we see in 50 minutes time frame, I will wait for this break here. I'll wait for this break here and retest. Maybe it's gonna be like here, and boom. But I'm an optimist, and I still can risk a little bit to open a trade. This is gonna be my stop loss. But I did good the last week with euro and GU gold, so I'm not gonna risk it. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for this break. It's not worth it to risk it now. I'm gonna wait for this break here and retest, and I'm gonna go buy long. That's all for the week. The week that is coming. Trade safe. If you have any question or need any help, I have placed my Telegram in description, and you can contact me.